I have no college, I have no background. I know I can work hard, put my head down, and if I want to learn something, I'm going to find a way to learn it. They're giving me a shot. I'm going to take this as far as I can.
I think that's the soundbite for the whole podcast. Most machinists that I think thrive in this industry start with that perspective. I definitely have people that I've mentored and just been around that their career gets to a certain point and they're like, man, I've already passed what I thought I was going to get to. Then they start handicapping themselves because it's hard work.
It's the deep inside you, what you got, your own personal motivator that gets you up in the morning and keeps you passionate about what you do. I think it's important.